In this demo, we'll show you how to set up mobile cloud phones to manage multiple Instagram accounts without using physical devices. Let's get started. Welcome to your Multilogin dashboard. This is your main workspace. Multilogin gives you access to cloud phones. These are real Android devices that run in the cloud. They help you handle Instagram accounts without needing a physical phone in your hand. To get started, switch to the Cloud Phones section here. You are now in your Cloud Phone workspace. This is the place where you create and launch all your mobile devices. Go ahead and click the Create button. Pick how many phones you want and give them a name. You can make many at once. Each one is a separate Android device, so your accounts stay safe and disconnected from each other. You can add some notes here and pick a folder to keep things organized. Proxies are a key part of setting up your mobile profiles. They let you log in from different places around the world. Choose Multilogin to use our built-in proxies. You can pick from over 150 locations. It helps you reach local audiences with the right IP address. Click the Check Proxy button to make sure everything is connected right. It is best to use one phone for each account. You can choose a specific brand and model from our list of 12 different options. Now that everything is ready, click Create to save your new phone. Your phone is ready. Click the Launch button to start using it. You will see a real Android screen now. You can use your mouse to click and swipe just like you're holding a phone. The sidebar has helpful tools. You can check your connection, rotate the screen, or take a screenshot. You can install apps just like on a normal phone. Open the Apps shortcut to find what you need. This is our App Store where you can browse popular apps. Now let's install Instagram. Once it is downloaded, you will see the app on your home screen. You are all set. Log into your Instagram account and start posting. With Multilogin, you can manage all your Instagram accounts from a single dashboard. Start your trial today and get everything you need to grow your business.